And about the diversity and differentiation, what can you tell us about this during this exchange?
So we should think every time that we talk about diversity, some people believe that is something negative, and I really think that the people should start thinking about that as something very, very positive, and you will see it later as well. We have different backgrounds, we have different cultures, and that really helps the children to understand that if they want to be respected, they need to respect the others as well. And not only the children, we really learn how to understand, the way that they react sometimes, and that makes them like grow, yeah. And differentiation. If we talk about differentiation as well, we have to understand that not every child have the same capacities, the same skills. So we need to take that into account always, always, always. And when we do that, we have to think of the content, yeah. So the knowledge and the skills that the student needs to master. And we have to think that we have high ability children, okay? We have just average children, and we have low ability children. So we need to, yes, be flexible and believe that that happens in every single group. The second point will be that the process. The teachers differentiated the instructions. When you do the input, you have to make that difference. Because you know that you have different levels, and the product that will be the activities that students use to master the content. Some of them might not need any kind of help after the explanation. Some of them need a word bank, for example, and the low ones might need a word bank and some images to understand what that word means. So you always have to think of that. And the main reason that we do that is because we want children not to feel frustrated, to feel part of the group always. If you just do one only level, how about the ones who cannot reach that, who cannot understand that? So they will not feel like they're part of the group. So that will be really like the frustration that they will feel like they don't really want to do it, they don't want to carry on, it's not for them. So what we try to do is like increase the engagement and avoid the frustration I mentioned, yeah, and for them to feel that they are part of the group, yeah.